The PRANZOELITE 11-inch nonstick pan is great for daily cooking. It's also a deep frying pan with a lid. This pan makes cooking easier. The nonstick surface helps food not stick. You can cook many things in it. The PRANZOELITE Deep Fry Pan with lid is a good choice for your kitchen. It's like having a helpful cooking friend. This pan has a non-stick coating. This means food slides off easily. Cleaning is also very simple. The lid helps keep heat inside. This can make your cooking faster. The PRANZOELITE Deep Fry Pan with lid can be used on different stovetops. It works with induction cooktops too. The bottom of the pan helps heat spread evenly. This can prevent hot spots and burning. No more worrying about scratching the surface easily. Overall, the PRANZOELITE 11-inch nonstick pan is useful. It works well as a daily cooking pan. It's also good for deep frying. The included lid is a nice bonus. The PRANZOELITE Deep Fry Pan with lid seems durable. It's a solid addition to anyone's cooking tools. It's not HexClad, but it gets the job done. Pros: superior nonstick, effortless food release, easy cleanup, healthy cooking, versatile cooking. Induction compatible, sturdy lid included, traps heat well, minimizes splatter, dishwasher safe. Cons: may not suit pro chefs, not for baking tasks. 11-inch not for large families, handle can get hot, handle can feel heavy, non-stick wears over time, dishwasher use may shorten life, needs low to medium heat, metal tools not best, not fully scratch-proof features. 11-inch, non-stick, daily cooking, deep frying, with lid, skillet pan, fry pan, induction. Sartines, anti-adherence. This PRANZOELITE 11-inch pan is made for everyday cooking and even deep frying. It has a non-stick surface so food doesn't stick. And it comes with a lid. You can use it as a skillet or a fry pan. And it works on induction cooktops. It's also called a sartén, which means pan in Spanish, and anti-adherent, which means non-stick. This PRANZOELITE 11-inch nonstick pan is designed for everyday cooking and even deep frying, featuring a lid to trap heat and minimize splatters. It boasts superior nonstick for easy food release and cleanup, promoting healthier cooking as less oil is needed. The pan is versatile, works on induction cooktops, and is dishwasher safe, though this might shorten its lifespan. Keep in mind it's not ideal for professional chefs, baking, or large families, and the handle might get hot and feel heavy. Also, the non-stick coating will wear out over time. It needs low to medium heat, and metal tools aren't recommended to avoid scratches.